Hello everyone and welcome friends to this video. Today friends I will share with you how to change your phone number on Metro Bank. So friends, on Google search for Metro Bank customer service, click this help and support. After that guys, scroll a little down and you see this option email us. Click this email us or write us. Choose anyone if you want to write a letter and write email us, this icon for any problems, and open your email guys, Outlook or Gmail email, and then you will pop on this icon as you can see here guys, this icon, and from here write your subject. I want, for example, I want to change my phone number and write this message, please look for my request or something, and you can add as additional information guys to change your phone number, and make sure write your account information here guys to this email. And if this is not work guys, you can also contact this phone number via a call number. Just call using any software calling to this number and write your message to requesting your change phone number. This is how you can do guys, or you can just give feedback guys on this icon, and you can write phone number as I say on this number to change your phone. I hope guys this video helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon.